This morning, my daughter asked me what I thought should be the highest paid job. I haven't answered her yet. Later, I told a lawyer friend that I believe the highest paid job should be parenting, mothers and fathers, but especially mothers. In true lawyer fashion, he responded by flipping the question back to me. I paused a moment, thought about it, and then answered with calm conviction. It should be mothers and fathers, more so mothers. He scoffed and said he didn't even know where to begin responding to that, or even how to. So I'm curious. What do you think should be the highest paid job? Do you agree with me that mothers should not only be paid, but be paid at the highest level?